Ready to move your USDT from Mexc to Binance without a hitch? Let's dive right in. First, open your Binance app and tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Next, navigate to your wallet and select Deposit since we're transferring USDT. Choose USDT from the crypto options. Here's the crucial part: choose your network. Turk20 is a common and cost-effective option, but always double-check compatibility with Mexc. Selecting the wrong network could result in lost funds. Binance will generate a USDT deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully. This is where your USDT will be sent. Now, switch over to your Mexc app and go to the withdraw section in your wallet. Paste the Binance deposit address you copy earlier into the address field. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. And again, double-check that you've selected the correct network. Turk20 in this case, assuming it's compatible with Binance and your preference. Mexc will likely require a two-factor authentication or SMS verification. Complete these steps to authorize the withdrawal. Once the transaction is initiated, you can track its progress on a blockchain explorer using the transaction hash provided by Mexc. This ensures the transfer is confirmed and secure. Finally, after a few minutes, your USDT should appear in your Binance wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT. For optimal security, always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication on both Mexc and Binance.